Weather already ripping through parts of the state, knocking down trees in even some neighborhoods.
Yeah, ABC 2 News' Skylar Henry is live, and News Wrangler 2 watching the roads as a combination of rain and wind leaving homeowners hoping there are no homes out there for them. Skylar.
Yeah, that's right, Jamie Kelly. It's clear now, but earlier today it was getting pounded out here. Rain was coming down extremely hard, strong winds. Even the Jeep was moving around side to side because of that strong wind. We spent time in one neighborhood in Columbia where neighbors were affected extremely by the severe weather.
People in this Columbia cul-de-sac say it sounded like a jet engine.
Oh, it was loud. When that big tree came down, it just rumbled, and I was looking right out my window, and bam.
Huge trees slicing through neighbors' homes because of the heavy rains and strong winds, including Doug Steino.
And it blew a limb off, and by bad luck, it came down like this, like a spear. It went into my shower.
Fortunately, no one was injured. Still, even the state wanted to make sure people, especially drivers, were aware of the conditions.
It doesn't matter how much experience you have as a driver. It can throw you off course. The best thing you can do is just keep your speeds down, use caution.
Several bridges had wind restrictions for most of the day.
The winds, when they're going across a bridge, to take control of that vehicle to the point where no matter what the driver would do at that point in time, could end up in a very dangerous situation.
Doug says despite the damage, it could have been a lot worse.
But that's why we buy insurance, right? And so, wow, I've already talked to my insurance company and everything's going all right.
He says he's thankful his roof is his biggest problem.
So we're lucky. I think we're lucky. I mean, you can always repair the roof and the house, but your body, that's different.
Back out here live, we are still riding on I-83. The roads are clear. As I said, it's not raining out. The Maryland Transportation Authority has wind restrictions on both the Key and Bay bridges until tonight, depending on that weather. And what that means is you can't have trailers, either house trailers or empty trailers on those bridges until they lift that restriction. Reporting live in News Wrangler 2, Skylar Henry, ABC 2 News.
Looks like he's in the shuttle, doesn't he? That's pretty neat.
Last stop.
All right, it's never too late to prepare for severe weather to hit our area. Download our ABC 2 News app and stay in the know. You can check the 7-day forecast and get alerts right there on your phone.